everyone. Whether you're brand new to guns or you've been shooting for a while, the idea of cleaning your gun might seem a little bit overwhelming, especially if you've never been taught how to do it before. And so today we're going to be going over the anatomy of a gun cleaning kit. This kit that I have right here is the Otis Elite Pistol Cleaning Kit. It comes in a little bag like this, and the cool thing about this video is that Otis has given me a cleaning kit to give away to you guys, and I'm also going to be giving away a pair of ear protection. So stay tuned till later on in this video. I'll explain all about entering the giveaway and all that. But we're going to be going over every single item that comes in this pistol cleaning kit, everything you need to be able to clean your pistols, because it can seem like a lot, you know? You look at this, it's like, what is this? What is that? There's a lot going on in here. So we're going to go over it all together, one by one. The thing about cleaning guns is that there are a million ways to do it. It's like there's a million ways to skin a deer. Is that a saying? There's a million ways to do it. So anyone you ask, they're gonna give you a different way to do it. Everyone has their own routine, their own preferences for how much to lubricate the gun where. There's just all sorts of different ways to do it. So there's not one right way, but we're gonna go over all the items in here, and then you're gonna figure out what way works for you. As you clean your guns, you'll figure out your own little routine. There are, of course, best practices, so we're gonna talk a little bit about that. But let's get into this kit. First off, it's pretty big. It's like this soft-sided case. It says Otis on the front with this zippered pocket here. You can put whatever you want in there. Really easy to stick in your car and take to the range if you want, or just keep this at home. I'm gonna show you what they include in here for the range. That's pretty cool, but it's a nice, good quality case. So you unzip it, and there's all this stuff in here. So let's go over it one by one. In here they do include a little cleaning instructions manual, which is nice. And on the back of the box that the cleaning kit comes in, it tells you everything that's included and what they do. So that was really helpful when I first got this, just to know what things are called in this particular cleaning kit, because Otis has some cool products in here that I didn't have as part of my other cleaning kits. They include this nice cleaning mat, so you can keep whatever surface you're cleaning on free from any debris or solvents, anything like that. So this is the cleaning mat, really good size. It has this rubber back, so it's not gonna slip on your desk or wherever you're cleaning your guns. That's really nice. Also included in this large cleaning kit is this smaller cleaning kit, and I have one of these that I keep in my range bag. So it's very compact. It says Otis on the front, and you unzip it and it has everything that you need to clean your pistol at the range, just in this small little package. Really easy to take with you to the range, and there's a ton of stuff in here that we're gonna go over as well. First component of a pistol cleaning kit, you're usually gonna get patches. Now, the larger pistol cleaning kit comes with smaller and larger patches, so there's two sizes here. And then the compact kit also comes with small and large patches in this little package right here. So that includes both sizes as well. You can just stick that back in there. So cleaning patches are usually used in conjunction with these slotted tips. You can put the cleaning patch through that slotted tip and make a swab to clean the inside of your bore with the cleaning patches. And you usually will use the cleaning patches and put a new one on until they come out clean with no debris on them. So that's what these little slotted tips are for. And this pistol cleaning kit comes with two slotted tips. Now let's talk about brushes for a second. Normally in your pistol cleaning kit, you'll have some sort of cleaning brush, and there are different kinds. Now this Otis kit comes with two nylon brushes. They're like a soft and medium brush as far as like how rough it is. And then they also come with a brass brush. I would not recommend using a steel brush like this. This did not come in this kit. I just wanted to show you guys what you should not be using on your guns. It's just too abrasive. The brass one is ideal for like tough grime, but other than that, you can usually just use the nylon brushes. They're just gonna be easier on your guns and not cause any sort of damage. So these two nylon brushes that are included in the kit have a wider bristly end and then a finer, thinner end that you can use to clean in like smaller areas than the larger ends. Now this is a pistol loop rod. It is included in this cleaning kit, and you can attach different ends to it, like brushes or patches. Just be careful using this on steel, because this is steel, and so steel on steel can cause some damage. I would rather you use something nylon if you were going to use something like this, but basically you can put a tip on the end and then it has a loop here that you can use to pull it through. Okay, next in this kit, you'll see they have a bunch of these cords that they call Ripcords. This kit actually comes with 4, and these are for different calibers of firearms, so they're different sizes. The Ripcords do say on this end here, it'll say what caliber it's for. So this one here is for 9mm, and so let me take that out so you can see what it looks like. It's just this long cord. One end is wider than the other. So these Ripcords are also heat resistant, so you can use this right after you shoot. Even if your gun's hot, you can put it through the breech, pull it through, and it's gonna clean out any gunk, even if your gun is hot, that's stuck in the bore of your gun, and just clean it while you're shooting so you can keep running your gun smoothly. You can also add tips, so if you wanted to like put a brush on, you could do that. You would put it on the back end, feed it through, and it's gonna clean your bore as you pull it through. That's also an option. You can add solvents to the cord itself, whatever you wanna do. These are really versatile and easy to just throw in your gun bag as you go to the range if you wanna clean while you're shooting, just to make sure that your gun is running smoothly the whole time you're at the range. Just an easy thing to throw in your range bag. In your cleaning kit, you will also find these little brushes, and they come in different sizes for different calibers. So this is the 9mm one that also works for 380, 357 Magnum, 38, what else? Yeah, so it'll say on here what caliber it's for, and you can use those to clean the inside of the bore as well. And in this cleaning kit, they include bronze ones and nylon brushes. So you have your choice of nylon or bronze, whatever you want to use. They include those for all calibers as well. Now, when would you use nylon or brass? I would use nylon for like a more routine cleaning, if I've been keeping up with my cleaning and my gun's not too dirty. If my gun is very grimy and I haven't cleaned it for a while, I will use a bronze brush just because it's a little more abrasive. But nylon is for general use, more routine cleaning. If you're using lead bullets, you might want to use brass. If you're using jacketed, you might want to use nylon. So it's going to depend on your gun and what you're shooting out of it. But unless it's really, really grimy, nylon's probably going to do the trick. Also in your kit, you're going to find CLP, which stands for Clean, Lubricate, and Protect. And the big kit comes with 2 bottles of Shooter's Choice CLP. So this is like your all-around solvent. You can use it to clean and lubricate your gun. So you don't have to have a cleaning solvent and then also a lubricant. This one comes with an all-in-one. It's like a shampoo and conditioner combo for your gun. And then there's also a small bottle of CLP in the small pistol cleaning kit as well. The kit also comes with these mops. You can use these instead of patches if you want. The only thing with these is that with a patch, it gets dirty and you can throw it away. These, you're not gonna throw it away, you're gonna keep it, right? So it's gonna get grimy. I personally prefer to use patches to clean guns, but they do include mops if you like that as well, and those are also for different calibers. And those you would attach either to the ripcord or to a cleaning rod like this, or you can use these flex cables that are included in the small pistol cleaning kit. And so you can attach any sort of end you want, whether it's a brush or a mop, to the end of that. And then also in this mini kit is this little T-handle here. So you can attach that to the end of the flex cable, and it catches right on that end here, and you can use that to pull it through. It just gives you a little more leverage to be able to pull it through your gun, a little more strength than just trying to pull it by hand. I also wanted to show you guys this really cool 8-in-1 tool that is included in this cleaning kit. So you can see all these little attachments here. You can attach all these little pieces in with a magnet. Whatever kind of gun maintenance you need to do, you have this little kit. And this includes a pin punch, punch hammer, front sight adjuster, flathead, and Phillips head screwdrivers, so you can attach all those little things in here. It also has a T-handle that you can use, so you can use your ripcord or your flex cables and pull that through using the T-handle in the middle of this tool. And so just this one little tool here will do a lot in terms of gun maintenance. So you can throw this in your range bag if you want and just have it with you all the time in case you need to adjust a sight or clean something or do whatever. This thing does a lot, so that's also included in this kit. Another nice tool they've added in the cleaning kit is a magazine plate remover. And this is in case you want to clean your magazines, you want to take them apart. You're gonna have to remove the magazine plate, which is at the bottom of your magazine. magazines. This is a Smith & Wesson M&P magazine, and this is a Glock magazine. So if you look here at the bottom of this Glock magazine, there's a little button right there. And that's what we need to press to be able to pull this off. So I can press that button right there with the tool, and then apply pressure like I'm opening a can, like downward pressure, and it'll pop it open. This is an M&P magazine, so it doesn't have that same little button. This on the box, it says it's for use on standard Glock magazines, but I can use it for my M&P magazine the same way, because the M&P magazine has this little button right there, and I could do that with my nail, but I don't want to break my nail. So I can use this same tool to push that down and just pop that out as well. So another nifty little tool they've added in this cleaning kit. There's also a soft microfiber cloth that you can use to wipe down your gun, and also a chamber flag, because safety first. Always make sure that your gun is totally empty before you start cleaning it. So many accidents happen when people are just negligent while cleaning their guns and don't check the chamber. They don't make sure that there's no ammunition around them, so just make sure that there's no chance of any sort of ammunition being near or inside your gun. So those are the basics of this gun cleaning kit and what you need to start cleaning your gun. Don't be overwhelmed by it. Yes, it's gonna take you a few times cleaning your gun to really get a routine down. I recommend looking up videos on YouTube for your specific firearm, because there will probably be a video out for how to clean your gun. Just keep in mind, like I said, everyone does it kind of differently. But now I want to tell you guys how you can win this pistol cleaning kit and also this pair of lovely ear protection for you or a friend that you're taking to the range. So to enter this giveaway, you have to be subscribed to this YouTube channel and also to Otis's YouTube channel. They have a lot of great videos on their channel on gun cleaning and how to use their products and all that. Just a lot of really helpful content on there. So make sure you're subscribed to both channels, and you have to fill out the form in the description of this video. So it's going to give you all the information you need, when I'm going to be choosing a winner and all that. And so make sure you check that out to enter this giveaway, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye!